Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Instructions. Lay the soaked corn husk on a flat surface. Spread your masa on the corn husk. Add your filling, sauce to the center of the masa. Fold the corn husk in half vertically. Wrap the corn husk into a little burrito. Fold the top, skinny, end down to enclose one end of the tamale. Tie the tamale together. The 3rd of May 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Add water to the cooker until it reaches just below the surface of the rack. Lay tamales on the rack. If your slow cooker is able, heat the water quickly using the sauté or steam function, then lower the heat to slow cook. Cover and cook on high for about 1 to 2 hours, or until the tamales reach at least 165 degrees. 24 August 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
What is a tamale? Tamales are a traditional Mexican dish made with a corn-based dough mixture that is filled with various meats or beans and cheese. Tamales are wrapped and cooked in corn husks or banana leaves, but they are removed from the husks before eating. 3 February 2020.
Take our lead.
My tamales are mushy or have stuck to the husk. This is a sign that they have not been left in the steamer, pot, or oven long enough to cook properly. If you peel away the husk and the masa has stuck, broken, or appears too mushy, then you need to keep the tamales in for longer.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.